Good morning, everyone. Today we are here to discuss on the topic: is AI a threat to human jobs or not? What I feel is AI is right now
before
very
delving into
important.
what-
AI is already
First,
taking away a lot of jobs. So ensure everyone gets a chance to speak and avoid conflict. Structured discussions lead to better outcomes. I don't think AI is taking a lot of jobs. As we have seen in the industry, it is rather creating some
I
jobs.
completely disagree with your point, Ikshant. I believe that AI has destroyed more jobs than it has created. My view is more practical here, and I believe that AI is a major threat.
Do listen to others' point of view before forming any conclusions. A GD isn't about proving you are right, it's about collaboration.
I feel AI is not just about jobs. It's into art, gaming, and entertainment too. Opportunities are endless.
That's fascinating, but I believe we should stay on track. The topic is about impact of AI on jobs.
There are many topics in a GD, but it is important that you stay focused to the relevant topic, which shows the analytical structure, analytical thinking, and the proper structure during the group discussion.
Okay, so as I was saying, AI is quite dangerous for traditional jobs. And another point which can consider is that
Jyotsna, I appreciate your point, but now let's give chance to other also so they can add up to the perspective. Section, would you like to add up?
Encourage other members to speak as well. A balanced discussion is a key to good teamwork skills and a good GD.
AI is good, it helps people and businesses grow. It's more efficient, and that's why it's great.
That's a good point, Saksham. For example, AI has even contributed to the healthcare sector. Like it has contributed in cancer treatments and even helped the after effects of the treatment. Points like this, examples like this, helps to make the GD more effective and efficient.
so support your points with valid data and reasoning or examples. Just invalid points or vague points do not add much credibility to your argument.
I think we are running out of time. We have discussed some great points and now it's time to summarize those points.
AI possesses challenges to the traditional job, but it also opens new doors to the new opportunities and the new jobs. So this is the progressive and the revolutionizing step.
Always summarize key points before concluding. It makes a lasting impact on the evaluator.